Hello, my name is Pauline Ely, and this is my website, Dress Me Squared. The purpose of this website is to create a place for minimalist wardrobe ideas, for convertible clothing ideas, and especially for the sarong. Let's begin the tour of the website. First, you'll see my logo, which is Dress Me Squared, and then my byline, the Everyday Minimalist Wardrobe. The next page we'll go to is the blog page. The blog will be the main repository for the information about minimalist clothing, minimalist wardrobes, and creative convertible clothing. Currently, there are 2 blog posts. The first is about the sarong, and it includes a video about how a sarong can be used. The second is about the cousins of the sarong and contains pictures. Both blog posts contain a category as well as tags. The next page is the shop page. This is currently a demo page as there are not that many products available at this time. You can click on the product and it'll give you a price. It'll tell you what it is included. It has categories and tags as well. You can scroll through various views of the product and it has a full description. You can add to the cart. And the cart will show you how many items you have and your quantity. The next page is the contact page. It has the Gmail account that I will answer to, as well as contact information so that you can send a message to me. The About page tells about my journey with convertible clothing and the minimalist wardrobe. Currently, there isn't much activity on my page as I haven't taken the time to promote it because I've been working on it. So the analytics that are showing now just happen to be me working on my website. Let's go back to the home page. The plans for future improvements will be to add wardrobe recipes for minimalist wardrobe as well as tutorials. I will update the social media platforms as they become more active, and there will be additional blog posts, and the shop also will have more products as they become available. Thank you for taking the time to review my website.